Hello, you beautiful bunch. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful week. It is freezing here. It is not as cold as some other places in the world, obviously. This is Ireland, but it is cold for us. It is 1 - 1. We've had some snow and stuff like that there. But, oh, I tell you, it is winter warmers out and all that good stuff, thermals, that kind of thing. Let me know what the weather's like where you are. I have some friends in Canada and stuff like that, so I know that the weather it can be so harsh. I don't know how you guys do it, but yeah, it's cold enough here. So I wanted to do a kind of wintry floral set because I think a lot of people are in a sort of they're wanting to sort of go into the more spring mindset with sort of flowers and things like that there, and kind of more pastel-y colours. That's kind of what I'm seeing at the minute, and that's what I'm loving too. Maybe I'm trying to convince myself. I know the Valentine's Day nails are a really big thing right now, but I just wanted to do some lovely wintry kind of florals. So here we go. I'm doing a ombre with the three colours that I've showed you. Obviously I've got the white, the blue, and a kind of very light sort of turquoisey, minty sort of colour as well. Sort of more turquoisey green. Yeah, so I'm just kind of blending these. I do this a couple of times. The first time it usually doesn't look the greatest. Let it settle sort of, till those lines go out. And then the second time I do it, I kind of bring the colours up a little bit. So I kind of overlap them just a tiny bit more, if that makes sense. I just kind of find that the blend works a little bit better, and I usually sort of tap in the colour just before I sort of bring the brush down. If you're doing it with an ombre brush, do not be tempted to go back the ways. Keep going down, and if you've any excess on your brush, just wipe it off on a little lint wipe. Then I'm going in with some of this beautiful Blue Lagoon, I can just about talk, Blue Lagoon glitter. And again, I just wanted to give some nice iridescent sparkle, kind of just sort of like going up the nail, almost like dewdrops, or maybe just I don't know, just like a sort of frosty morning kind of look. This is I think it's Aquarelle Flowers water decals. They are on the website. They are really beautiful colours. I love them, and really pretty for spring. So I'm just cutting out here. I forgot to record me actually putting it on the stamper and damping it. So as you'll see now, this is me just stamping it, but obviously you have to dampen it, take the back off, and then you're good to go. So I wanted to do a nice feature because sometimes I get asked, how can I incorporate sort of some sparkles with decals, and what can I do? And I think that this here nail here is, you can do this as well in a short version as well too, but this is some angel tears as well, and I decided to just sort of like put those in as well too. So I put a layer of base coat down, and then just added some more then of the angel tears, just to kind of bring out that bit more wintry sparkle. And because of the actual reflection of the glitter, it blends in so beautiful with the flowers and those colours. It's almost like little chips of mirror almost. It's just so nice. So now I'm going in then with some builder just to kind of encapsulate this. I was going to do hard gel, but then I thought, no, I'll just stick to sort of gel polish and show you guys that this can be done with gel polish. I've just done it on a longer nail. So and as always, wipe, buff, and then this is the final top coat, and as you can see, it's all looking lovely. Always buff the nail. I decided to go with matte on this one. Don't know, I just thought it would look good, but there we go. That is the final result, and I really like it. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the winter florals? Let me know what the weather's like where you are. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all again next time. Have a wonderful week. Stay warm, stay safe, stay cozy, and just stay happy and healthy. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.